Are you tired of seeing those confusing pop-ups in Revit? Errors and warnings can feel overwhelming, but they're your best friends when it comes to maintaining a clean and accurate BIM model. In this guide, we'll explain what they mean, why they matter, and how to handle them like a pro. Let's dive in and make Revit work for you. In Revit, errors occur when the software cannot maintain required element relationships or constraints, and these critical issues block operations until resolved. Revit errors halt workflows and must be resolved before proceeding. They typically stem from broken constraints, invalid relationships, or duplicate elements, such as conflicting locked dimensions, overlapping elements, or walls losing their hosts. Unresolved errors compromise your BIM model and cause inaccurate documentation and coordination issues. In Revit, warnings flag potential issues without stopping your workflow. Unlike errors, they allow you to continue working while signaling problems that could cause trouble later if ignored. Revit warnings don't stop work, but flag potential issues like overlapping elements, improperly separated rooms, or misalignments. While you can continue working, ignoring them risks wrong schedules, quantity errors, and costly construction rework. Managing warnings early keeps your model accurate and your project on track. In Revit, understanding the difference between errors and warnings can save time, prevent mistakes, and maintain model integrity. Workflow impact errors stop your workflow, while warnings allow it to continue without immediate fixes. You cannot proceed until you resolve or cancel errors, though you can ignore or address warnings later. Errors indicate fatal violations of Revit's parametric engine, while warnings indicate logical inconsistencies or redundant data. Errors appear in modal dialog boxes that lock the UI, while warnings display as subtle notifications or remain hidden in a warnings list. Although errors must be fixed, warnings have a higher impact on performance by slowing file sync and processing. While errors demand immediate attention, warnings are the primary cause of file bloat and crashes. A healthy Revit model should maintain as close to zero warnings as possible for stability and faster synchronization. When a Revit error pops up, it means the software's parametric engine has hit a wall. Unlike warnings, you can't ignore it. You must fix it or cancel the action. Here's how professionals handle errors. First, TRIA. Don't just hit cancel. Expand the error dialog to see all affected elements and identify the primary one. And next, diagnostic. Use the show button or select by ID to locate the issue in 3D space. Then, resolution. Apply the right fix. Unjoin elements, remove constraints, or check workset ownership. Finally, for crashes or fatal errors, run an audit on Open, review the journal file, and disable add-ins if needed. Follow these steps, and you'll turn frustrating errors into quick wins. Clearing hundreds of warnings in a large Revit model is overwhelming. Start by focusing on high-impact warnings that affect performance or cause major issues, using the Revit Warning Resolution Checklist. Start with SMART preparation. Audit the file, export the warning report, and group issues by type. Next, tackle the big performance killers, duplicate elements, overlapping walls, and unenclosed rooms. Then move to cleanup. Fix orphan tags, renumber duplicates, and disable unnecessary area/volume calculations. Finally, use technical tricks like select by ID, isolate categories, and decide whether to delete or fix. Follow this checklist, and you'll turn thousands of warnings into a clean, efficient model. Pro tip: use the warning to go strategy. Don't try to clear 500 warnings at once. Instead, assign warning categories to different team members. Remember, errors must be fixed, warnings should be managed. Mastering these systems is the key to avoiding late-stage crashes and costly rework. Start clearing high-priority warnings today, keep constraints simple, and aim for precision, because precision in the process leads to excellence in the final build. Thanks for watching, and make Revit work for you.